Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nidhi. I'm a first year CSE student studying at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. In this presentation, we will be learning everything about lathe. This matters comes under the course of Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. Let's take a look into the table of contents, which includes introduction of lathe, parts of lathe, its working principle, applications, drawbacks, the various operations performed by lathe, and the conclusion. So let's start with the introduction of lathe. Lathe is one of the oldest machine tools. It is widely used in industries, also known as mother of machine tools. A machine tool may be defined as a power-driven machine which is used to produce a product by removing the excess material from a substance using a cutting tool. A lathe is a versatile machine tool. It is primarily used for shaping metal, wood, or other materials. The function of lathe is to remove material from the workpiece to make it the desired shape. Some parts of the lathe machine that play a vital role are as follows. The very first part is the bed. Bed forms the base of the machine. It is made up of cast iron. Its top surface is machined accurately and precisely. The second part is the headstock. It is mounted permanently on the inner guide piece at the left-hand side of the lead peg. It houses a hollow spindle and also the mechanism for driving the spindle at multiple speeds. Spindle rotates on the two large bearing housed on the headstock casting. Tailstock is located on the inner guide piece at the right-hand side of the bed opposite to the headstock. Carriage is located between the headstock and the tailstock on the lathe bed guideways. Lead screw. It is a long threaded shaft used as a master screw. It is brought into operation during thread cutting to move the carriage to a calculated distance. Thread cutting is one of the lathe operations which we will discuss in the upcoming slides. Feed rod is placed parallel to the lead screw on the front side of the bed. The feed rod is used for precise linear carriage movement along the lathe's longitudinal axis. Here you can see the line diagram of lathe machine along with its part such as bed, headstock, spindle, tailstock, feed rod, lead screw, etc., as we have already examined in the last slide. Moving forward to the working principle of lathe machine, the first step is mounting of the workpiece, where the workpiece is clamped in the lathe's chuck, a special clamp that holds the material securely. The chuck is then rotated at varying speeds. The second step is tool positioning. A cutting tool is positioned against the workpiece. This tool can be moved both in the longitudinal and transverse direction. Third step is the cutting process. As the workpiece rotates, the cutting tool removes excess material from the workpiece, shaping it according to the desired specifications. The depth of the cut and speed of rotation can be adjusted to control the shape and finish of the final product. Last step is finishing. Once the desired shape is achieved or acquired, the workpiece can be refined through techniques such as sanding or knurling, depending on the desired finish. Let's see some application of lathe machine which involves metalworking, where lathe are commonly used in metalworking for operations like turning, facing, threading, etc. They can shape metal parts to precise dimensions. Under woodworking, lathes are used to create intricate designs in wood, often used for making furniture parts, baseball bats, and other cylindrical objects. Pottery. Some types of lathe are used in pottery. These are known as potter's wheels and are used to shape the clay into various forms. Glassworking. Lathes are also used in glassworking industry. They are used to shape glass and create various glass objects. Manufacturing. Lathes are used to produce parts that have symmetrical shapes about an axis of rotation. This includes components for machines, vehicles, tools, and many more. The following are some of the major drawbacks of lathe machine. Lathe machines require regular maintenance to keep them running smoothly. This can include cleaning, lubrication, and part replacement, which can be time consuming and costly. High quality lathe machine can be relatively expensive. This initial investment, along with the ongoing cost of maintenance and operation, can be a significant drawback for some users. Lathe machines are primarily designed for creating symmetrical objects. If you're looking to create something with an irregular shape, a lathe machine might not be the best tool for the job. Thus, lathe machines are limited to symmetrical objects. Now let's discuss the various operations performed by lathe machine. First, turning. Turning operation involves drawing excess material from the workpiece to produce a cylindrical surface to the desired length. Turning is one of the most common operations in the lathe machine. The job is held between the center or a chuck and rotated at a required speed. The tool moves in a longitudinal direction to give the feed towards the headstock. Second operation, facing, is the process of removing metal from the end of a workpiece to produce a flat surface. The facing tool used is a rounded edge. If the tool is pointed, the workpiece will not have good finishing. The process of facing is sometimes also known as squaring. Under facing, the workpiece rotates about its axis. Third operation, thread cutting. It is one of the most important operations in lathe to obtain the continuous helical grooves or threads. When the threads or helical grooves are formed on the outer surface of the workpiece, it is called external thread cutting. Similarly, when the thread or helical grooves are formed on the inner surface of the workpiece, it is called internal thread cutting. Here, the tool is moved longitudinally to obtain the required type of thread. Moving to knurling, it is an operation performed on the lathe to generate a solid surface on the workpiece. It is used to produce a rough surface for gripping, like the barrel of micrometer or screw gauge. During the knurling operation, the hardened rollers of the tool are pressed against the slowly rotating workpiece such that the impressions of tool serrations are formed on the workpiece. This is done by a special tool called as knurling tool. So finally the conclusion. The lathe machine is an essential tool in the manufacturing industry, known for its versatility and ability to produce precise and symmetrical objects. Despite its few drawbacks, such as the need for specialized training, safety risk, and maintenance requirements, its benefits far outweigh these challenges. With proper training and safety measures, a lathe machine can be an invaluable asset, enabling the creation of various products. Its importance in shaping, cutting, and forming materials cannot be overstated, making it a cornerstone of modern manufacturing and craftsmanship. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you for watching the video and investing your time here.